cherry.
Hi, Uncle Tony. I have 3 cherries, 2 grapes, 1 apple, and 1 strawberry.
All right, my turn. Which animal last? I've got 3 oranges, 2 apples, and 3 mixed berries.
Okay, time to eat them.